I'm John, and this is the first in a series of videos documenting my fishing trips using a Tenkara rod in the state of Nebraska. Over the course of the next few months, I'm going to be traveling around the state, lakes and ponds and creeks and rivers using a Tenkara rod, and I will be documenting that and telling and talking about the equipment I use, the techniques I use, and the flies that I use. So I hope you enjoy the series. Let's go fishing. That's March 12th, 2020, and I am at Benson Lagoon, which is a little park in North Omaha at about 72nd and Ames. They just renovated this park a few years ago and put in a nice water park over there and some more stuff. It's a good place to bring kids. It's got bluegill, bass, green sunfish, carp, I think some catfish, and I've even caught a bullhead out of here. So I'm fishing a new rod today, the DragonTail Mutant. That's a 380 centimeter rod. It's a 3-position, and I've got it all the way out. It's pretty open. Benson's a pretty open place to fish. So, and the fly I'm fishing today is called a Kabari Killer. It's basically a modification of the Utah killer bug with a forward-facing hackle, and still uses the Jameson Shetland oyster, color yarn, pink thread, and some pink wire. So I don't know. It's been pretty cold. We just had ice out here last week, so I'm not holding out a whole lot of luck, but hey, this park's only about 10 minutes from the house, so we'll see what we can do. It's early spring, so the geese are here getting ready to go back to the north. Lots of people out in the park today, including some people that really enjoy loud music. I don't know if you can hear that or not. Whoa! There's one. Didn't even know he was on. I'll be a son of a gun. It's a crappie. A little crappie. Huh. Didn't deep barb this thing. There we go. Little black crappie, it looks like. All right. Third cast. Not bad. So that's another fish that I didn't even know was in here. Or another species of fish. Wind's coming up. You can probably hear it. Because the water's so slow, I'm trying to fish it a little slow. Or the water's so cold, I mean, not slow. See if that makes any difference. Oh, I had one. I lost him. There's one right there. They're coming at it. Right in here close. There we go. Not very big. Another crappie. Interesting. I didn't even know there were any crappie in here. Very nice. Pretty fish. They seem to be in here within about 2 or 3 feet of shore. You know what they say? Most fish are caught within 20 feet of shore, so. There we go. Another little one. Yeah. Come here, you. Interesting fish. Look at the eyes. Huh. This will probably be, or in fact it is, the first video from the Tenkara, Nebraska channel. So, nothing big today, but at least we caught some fish. There we go. Another little one. Got some folks down there fishing with us. Nice little crappie. Oh. Didn't even know I had him. Okay, cute little fish. Get back there and grow up. Here comes somebody else. This sounds like another squad. There we go. Okay, nice little fish. Yep. Okay, one more cast. Okay, about an hour. That was fun. Well, like I say, it's a nice little park here. And it's really close to home, so. All right, good day of fishing.